explosion of joy there in the central square in the rebel stronghold of Benghazi. These are people, the inhabitants of the city, who've very much been voting with their feet. They've been true to their words. They said they would be defiant in the face of what, in the words of Muammar Gaddafi, was going to be an imminent attack, and they've certainly been true to that, celebrating in the square despite this threat of an attack, whatever form that attack might take. The big question, of course, is whether this international intervention could come in time. Well, our indications that we're getting from the front line and from inside Benghazi, that it could well come in time if, as we're hearing there, planes might be over Libya in the next few hours or possibly in the next day, because from what we're seeing here so far, forces are nowhere near Benghazi right now. There is still that crucial battle of Ajdabiya going on as we speak. That is around 160 kilometers away from Benghazi. We do know that there are a lot of army forces there, thousands of soldiers, a lot of tanks, heavy artillery, but it seems from the information we're getting from inside Libya that those forces have not been able to advance. So that means we're looking at possible airstrikes in the next few hours or so. But the chances has not necessarily gone, but this indication from Colonel Gaddafi that this might be an imminent attack has simply not come true, because all we've heard from inside Benghazi is that there have been a few explosions on the outskirts. We know that a few bombs have been dropped, most notably on the airport in Benghazi, but we also, from reliable sources, we're hearing that there has been at least one defection from one Air Force pilot who decided not to bomb the outskirts of the city and instead get in control with air traffic control there in Benghazi and basically drop the bomb outside in the desert. So it looks like, certainly with the hours going by, that this UN resolution might just come in time for the city of Benghazi. That's what it seems like at the moment.